Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube. A lovely oval serving platter, just over 14 inches in length, made by Ridgway's in the Canterbury pattern, which is something I always buy when I see it at auction or on sale in antiques and vintage shops. And the reason being, it sells so well and there are collectors of this. It's incredibly hard to find, so I'm not buying it day in, day out. Let's just show you this platter. First thing to note is the condition of that glaze. Just look at that light reflection there. It gives you some impression that this has never been used. Absolute mint condition on the glaze. Let's show you the Ridgway pottery mark on the back. Genuine hand engraved Ridgway Ironstone, Staffordshire, all colours guaranteed, underglazed and detergent proof. Gives you a inkling of the date, and the Canterbury with its pattern reference number 4269. So 1940s, 1950s, pre-dishwasher piece this. As I say, just look at that fine glaze condition front and rear in really nice nick. We've got two of these. One has got a little bit of transfer overprint on the underside just along here, just a line, but really when it's on display as it should be with the plate surface on the front, you're not going to spot that. The rims and glaze on both of them in really fine condition. So rare opportunity to get a matching pair of Canterbury Ridgway serving platters. We'll pop a link description below this video and a product link which will hopefully take you directly to the Vintage and Antiques website, where you can find out all the measurements and further details and the history of this absolutely marvellous piece of English ironstone transferware. Thanks for watching.